Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to turn off BitLocker in Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from your laptop or desktop, just open Start menu and just go to Settings option. So each and every Windows has a settings, so you can use the settings to activate, deactivate such options. So here there will be a find settings and privacy and security is there. So if you want to go to directly BitLocker, you just search a BitLocker on search. So once you type a BitLocker, automatically it will move into a manage BitLocker. It will be open here with a pop-up. So otherwise just click open in a different way, that is just go to privacy and settings. You will find an option called device encryptions. Just hit the button device encryption. There will be a BitLocker drive encryption. So just hit the button in BitLocker encryptor. It will pop up into a direct things. Here there will be a turn off BitLocker will be there. So if you want to turn off for D drive and C drive, everything will be there. I have a 2 drives and operating system as well as a saved device that is called for D drive. I just want to turn off this BitLocker. Just click here for turn off. Automatically it will ask you to decrypt all drivers. It will take time to decrypt all the drive. So if you want, you just click means automatically it will be decrypted as well as just click here to BitLocker for D drive and just click here for turn off. So automatically it will turn off the BitLocker. So this is simple and easiest way to turn off your BitLocker. For example, if you don't want to close this BitLocker or you want to turn off means use this option to turn off these options. The drive will be decrypted. It may take a long time, but you can keep using your PC during this description process. So similarly you can turn off your BitLocker as well as. So use your password and add smart card. Everything will be available in a D drive, so you can add a password or backup your recovery key also will be available. For example, I just want to take a backup of my recovery, so I can save my Microsoft account, USB, or save a file or print a recovery key. I just want to click here to print a recovery key. Automatically it will move into a printing option. If I have a finding printer, it will automatically have. I don't have a printer unfortunately, so you can save this one as a PDF format. So use this option to save your BitLocker key, otherwise you turn off your BitLocker key. So this video will help you how to turn off the BitLocker as well as you can get the recovery key also. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.